The mission of Ferney is to create value in the whole purchasing chain for our shareholders on a sustainable and financial way. We stay competitive and add value because of our strategy and our values. We have a strong family culture, and that is very positive because our members and our suppliers feel very comfortable with us. They have quite some degrees of freedom, and I think that differentiates us from other purchasing groups in our industry. Beside, of course, the rebates, we offer our members, of course, purchasing deals and supporting our members with finance, IT and marketing services.
The reason for us for joining Ferney were primarily to get access to suppliers with which we are not working at all, or if we are working with them, we are very small. So we don't have a good purchasing position. And by joining a purchasing group like Ferney, you get easily access to new suppliers with decent conditions, rebates. On existing agreements that we already had with suppliers that were also listed at Ferney, the rebates that Ferney had on invoice were better sometimes than ours. And also their payment conditions that they had with some suppliers were better than ours. So there was an immediate revenue that you could collect. But Ferney has definitely also helped us broadening our horizon in what we call the shop assortment, so in the tools and the power tools and that sort of thing.
Enable influences customer satisfaction because they see that we are making steps in our data strategy. So that helps, of course, us, and it also helps our members. So that influences the customer satisfaction. And we also see it with potential new members or shareholders. They see it as a plus that Enable is on board. We received feedback on how we use the rebates, of course, from our members, and I think that's part of the communication we now have with our members because of Enable, and that's very positive. Ferney and TAPS are cooperating intensively, and it is interesting that we share our data. I think that's very positive, and that is how we show how we can add value to our members and to get very intimate as well with the data. And I think it's a good example how you integrate the whole chain. So we can keep adding value for our members.